everybody and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to clean your stainless steel using one of these dirt eraser sponges. Now these are available at basically any store and they are pretty cheap. So I really do recommend investing in one of these or a pack of these because they are very cheap, and especially if you think what you get out of it. Now this is a piece of the fondue oven. This is the part that actually goes onto the flame like this, to prevent your cheese from burning in your pot or sticking to your pot. And just to show you that this thing really does work, I'm going to take some normal dishwashing liquid like this, just a drop to demonstrate to you, and then some normal water here, spray a bit on there, and then I'm going to clean like you would normally clean your dishes, and you can see there's not really much of a difference there. The burnt part is still there. So I'm just going to wipe it dry now, and then I'm going to use my dirty razor sponge. Okay, I'm just going to moisten this here again, because the sponges do work best when you just moisten your area a bit. Now take this thing, and without much effort, without much scrubbing, you just start rubbing this thing. There you can actually see the dirt coming off. So when you're in the middle, in the center part, oh, isn't that a lovely squeaking sound? So there we go. There you can actually see the difference already. And here you can see the burnt part, I don't know what you call this, dark coming off of the stainless steel. You can actually see the whole thing turning black. Just rub it off again. You see the difference already as compared to earlier. I just want to really do the center part here so you can see the difference. Just moisten it a bit again, and then use the dirty razor sponge again. And I have to tell you, I'm totally in love with these sponges. That is just, in my opinion, one of the best things that's ever been invented. And I'm never without it. I even use it on my shoes, I use it on my bathtub, I use it anywhere and everywhere. And I even use it when I travel, because you never know what your hotel room may end up looking like. That's when you check in, of course. And there you can see. There we go. This is as good as new. This part here is still black from the fondue oven, from the flame. If you did like this tutorial, if you did like this video, I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel and give my video a thumbs up.